Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will just design a certificate. Okay, so we will just design a certificate like this that you see on the screen. So let's start. Okay, we will just design this certificate. Let's take a new Word file. So after taking and open a new Word file, so let's move first of all to the layout. In the layout tab we will move to orientation, so we will change this to landscape. So after changing this to the landscape, now let's design our certificate. So just come here to the insert. So I will just move to the shapes. In shapes, just take this rectangle. After taking rectangle, let's design the rectangle. Sorry, just come here, take rectangle. So after the rectangle, now let's take another design. So just come here, and here we will take a new rectangle. Let's check our previous design. So yes, let's change the color of this, which is white color. So we will assign white color to this shape. Let's bring it here. So that is okay. Now let's just design other insert other shapes. Come here to the insert the shapes, and back come here, and we would like to insert a shape. I will just find a shape. Yeah, we can take the same rectangle. Okay, no problem. Just let's design it. Let's rotate it. Now let's increase the size of this. So after increasing the size of this, let's place it here and add the outline. The outline will be this yellow color. So Control C, Control V, and bring it here down. So here, yeah, after designing this, now let's check it, and we will have another shape. Yeah, let's take a new shape. Insert shapes, rectangle shape. Assign white color to this shape. And the outline of this will be also yellow. So after that, let's now write the text inside this. Okay, the certificate of completion and the certificate. So let's just write these texts. So come here to the insert, to the text box, and draw a text box. Take that here and remove the outline, no outline, and write here a certificate. So after writing the certificate, let's increase the size of this. Come here to the home and increase the size. And let's change the text. Okay, let's make it like Tigaramont. So bring it here and let's bring it to the center. Yeah, this is the center. Oh no, sorry, this is not the center. Let's, yeah, after bringing this to the center, then Control C, Control V, duplicate it, and down from that, of completion. So let's decrease the size of this. Yeah, let's change the text color of this one. First of all, come here and assign this text color, or this one, and also change the color of this one. That's okay. So after assigning this color, now we will have this is to proudly certify. Copy this text, and here we will have another text box. Come here and draw a text box. Paste the text here. and bring it to the center. That's it. So after writing that, then we have this name field. So let's design the name field and let's copy the certificate, Control V, and bring it here. And we will just change this. Write your name. So after writing your name, decrease the size a little bit and change the color to black. So after that, change the font to this one and make it 55. Bring it here and just draw a line down from this. Okay, under this we will just draw a line. Insert shapes, take a line and just draw the line. Press shift and just draw the line. Assign this black color. So after that, we will just write now this text. Control C, copy the text, and let's insert a new text box. Draw text box. Remove the outline, shape outline, no outline, and paste the text here. That is at the center or not. Place that in the center. So shift tab. So that is okay. So after bringing that to the center, now let's have another text box. Draw a text box. Instead of a text box, let's insert a shape, line, shift, Control C, Control V, duplicate it. Sorry, Control Z. Bring it here, then insert a draw box and just write here, remove the outline and write here date. Signature. So that's it. Okay, date and signature. After completing this, now let's design here a logo, simple logo. So come here to the insert, the shapes, and we would like to just take a logo, for example this one. So after taking that, let's draw that. Let's change the background color, for example to this one. So after changing the background color, or we can just manually select like this. Okay, so after selecting that, let's insert another shape, circle. Okay, come here, select this circle shape and just increase the size of this one, and inside this write paste keyword. select the whole text and come here to the home, increase size, bold that, and change the text color to this one. So that's it. Okay, we can just design a certificate like this. Press Ctrl P to print it. Okay, so you will press something like this. Look at to the certificate. So it was all about how to design a certificate in MS Word. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.